Hello, hello, hello. I can never start these off with just like, here's the thing, confidence. So here it is. Seen in a breeze. Words and Pictures by Kirsten. A breeze blows, gulf winds touch my face. Gray, blue, blue, gray, the great blue heron's wings beat, and under my feet, the grass teems with life, green, plush. It hits me, why hurry, why rush? Why run around until I drop of exhaustion, when I have this option, to breathe, to look beyond imposed alleged needs? Here's where I shall be, what I shall be. Slow and present, so that I may see the breeze, the wind, the birds, the stars and the moon. Filling me with life outside that room, a breeze blows and I freeze, because I am calm and free. I see, I feel, I touch, and now know how much I needed to be seen, all because of one breeze. The end. We're feeling feisty today. We're feeling like something's in the air. Thank you for reading. Thank you for reading. I mean, I read it to you. Hopefully you read along. No, thank you for being here. Thanks for listening to my little poems, my silly little poems about presence and life and birds and slowing down and, you know, all the woo-woo nature, nature nonsense. Okay, alright. Let me stop. That cloud is like gorgeous. Distractions. Alright, I gotta go eat something. We gotta get out of here. Three spoonbills fly into the roost over there. We're out here with the birds and the trees. Every day, my friends, get your daily dose of nature. Do you some good. Okay, sincerest apologies for these terrible videos, but I had to show you the warblers. The warblers are back, and I'm here for it. I'm so excited for it. The warblers, they're around. Go check them out.
Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going all the way. Going going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go there. Going out, going all the way.
Surprise, 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 we're back outside. Golly. Let's go for yet another walk. I love days like this. It's cool, it's windy, the birds are out. I know I'm strange for liking overcast days, but here we are. You know, the reality is just that I love all things. I love blue days, I love gray days, I love everything. I love it all. Let's go. Am I in luck today or what? There is a spoonbill. There he goes. There he is. There he is. I'm so sorry for this quality, y'all. You get the picture. You get the picture. There's a pink bird with a spooned bill. Cool. I mean, I'm joking, but it is. It's really cool. Biodiversity. It's a pretty cool thing.
Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going all the way. Going going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going going all the way. Going higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go there. Going out, all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, all the way. Going
Okay guys, let's do Walk to See. This is a drawing challenge started by Helen Stevens, who you can see here. She's a brilliant illustrator. She and two other lovely artists have this podcast, The Good Ship Illustration. Highly recommend. Wonderful podcast about illustration. So Walk to See is an observational drawing challenge where you go on a walk and you draw what you see. So that's what we're doing. Now, I did see a red tail hawk. Was he wearing a Santa hat? No. But the challenge this month is Walk to See festive. So we had to make it festive. We had to make it Christmas because it's December. Happy holidays. Here's the final drawing. And in keeping with our prompt of being festive, I went to go see the symphony play some very festive Christmas songs and did some drawing while I was there. So I hope you enjoy these quick impression sketches. You know, they're live sketches of me watching the concert. I love this practice. They tend to get at something more alive, so I hope you like seeing them. And that's all for this vlog. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, bye-bye.